morning, ma'am. Good morning, friends. My name is Hazel. I study in Senior KG Rainbows. I like it what to draw. I am used for drinking, bathing, fishing, and farming. Please conserve me. Please, please.